video you just saw was created with AI in under 5 minutes. These stage performance videos are going extremely viral on the internet right now. And the best part is that not every creator is making this style of content yet, which means the niche is almost completely unsaturated. The door is wide open right now. So let me show you how to create these videos for totally free. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. First, open ChatGPT and find the GPTs section. You can find it inside apps or by clicking on more and then clicking on GPTs. Search for viral stage and click on the very first result that appears. Open the GPT and it will ask you to choose between two options: placing yourself in the video or choosing any character. I clicked on any character. It will then provide a list of characters to choose from. I am going with number 7 and hit enter. Now it asks you to choose your opponent's character. I am going with number 7 here too and hit enter. In just a few seconds, it will provide 5 complete scenes along with image and video prompts for every single one. Everything you need to create your full stage performance video is right here. Copy image prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow. Select the image option and make sure all your desired settings are turned on. Paste the prompt in and hit enter. Your first scene images will be ready in just a few seconds. Click on the image you like, click the 3 dots, and choose Animate. Select the video option, choose OmniFlash as your video model, and set your output timing to 10 seconds. Copy the video prompt for scene 1 from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit enter. And in just a few seconds, your first video scene will be ready right here. Now to generate the next scene. Click on your first scene image, click the 3 dots, and choose Add to Prompt. Then switch to the image option. Copy image prompt 2 from ChatGPT and paste it in. Hit enter, and when your second image is ready, choose Animate. Copy and paste the video prompt for that scene and hit enter. Repeat this exact same process and you can create up to 5 complete scenes for every stage performance battle. Each scene flows naturally from the last one, giving your video a proper cinematic sequence from start to finish. Subscribe for more tutorials like this and drop a like if this video helped you.